Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a long weekend and bank holiday here in England. So we are here. So let's go, let's explore there guys. So guys, pasok tayo sa St. Mildred Tenderton Church. Ayan ang train guys, oh. Ang laki-laki yan. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a long weekend and bank holiday here in England. So we are here now in Tenderton. So let's go guys. Supposed to be this trip is we're going to Paisley Manor House Tulip Festival. So first stop is here in St. Mildred Tenderton Church. So ito yung guys, oh. Yan. So let's go, let's explore there guys. So guys, pasok tayo sa St. Mildred Tenderton Church. Ito yung church. Ewan ko na kung bukas to. Napaka-authentic nila, oh. Sementeryo, simbahan. Basta pumasok ka nga. So let's go guys. Pwede ba? Guys, pamula sa museo, pupunta naman kami dito sa train station, sa train railway station. So let's go guys. So guys, pupuntahan pa namin, may oras pa kami. Sana makita pa namin yung train station here in now guys here in Tenterden Town Station. So ito na tayo guys, sana makita natin guys. Ito na yung station. So train station today is 10:20. So here we go. So here we go guys, Robert Bridge Junction to Tenterden Town. Ayun ang ayun ang train, my god. Nakita natin. So let's go here. So making the most of your day. Then the Kent and the East Sussex Railway. So tickets is here. Oh, hindi natin nakita siya. Ayan ang train guys, oh. Ang laki-laki yan. Oh. Diba? Yan, nasa Tenterden Town Railway Station tayo. Ate naman kasi, papa-picture eh. Alam mo naman ako eh. Busy ako sa pagbablog ko eh. So okay lang, talagang tuloy lang ang buhay. Ganyan talaga. Ano, magtitiket ka, hindi. Dito tayo makakasakay. Guys, unfortunately, hindi na kami makakasakay kasi running of time na kami. Pero at least, pagtagumpayan namin itong station. No, you're still there. You always go there. Ito yung schedule ng train departure to Bodiam. 11:20. 50 minutes. Yeah. So, pakita natin to. Ito lang yung daan, guys. Ito yung main train. Oh. That's a good one. At least may pagkakataon tayo mapakita natin sila. Ito yung train, guys. Oh. That's nice, guys. So here we are. There. Here guys, go. Nasa place kami. Okay, let's go. So ito pa ata, pakikita natin to.
The train's going here. Wag lang pattern.
Oh yeah, I thought this is the train. Oh, may toilet pa rin doon, be. Mainit, Diyos ko. Guys, ito yun. Oh, meron ditong Maidstone District Motor Services. And nandun yung toilet. Bali, kwanto. Restaurant, guys. Restaurant yan. Nandito yung toilet. Yan guys yung toilet. Way out. Yung tayo, lalabas tayong ganyan. Yan. So, here we go. So, pakita ko sarili ko. Yan. So, ito yung train, guys. So, let's go again to the train station. But itong way out. Okay, go on. So, ito yung train na guys. Gusto nyo sumakay. Mahaba rin siya. Yan. And that one. So, nakita nyo naman yung humihila kanina. So, yun. Okay. And then the other one here. So guys, have a last look dito sa Tenterden Town Center. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Pashley Manor House or Pashley Garden Tulip Festival. So hintay lang namin yung aming timetable ng aming bus. So pupunta na kami doon. Yun ang simbahan. So yan, nakapila na guys ang aming mga classmate. So hanapin lang natin yung ito pala yun eh. Ginagawa munisipyo. So yan, ito guys ang kabuuan ng istasyon ng town center here. So lakad-lakad pa tayo bago natin iwan ang Tenterden Council Town. So ito yun guys. So guys, meron mga charity store. At ito yung kahabaan ng High Street. Yeah. Pasok tayo dito. So guys, yan ang simbahan. And then here we are. This is our Intelligen bus. Kapila na sila. So guys, I think this is it sa Tenterden Town Center here in Kent. Maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsama muli sa akin. Hanggang sa muli here in Tenterden Town Center. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time on my video. God bless. Bye.